Hey guys, so for the last 2 weeks I've been teaching you guys how to multiply polynomials using two methods. So this week we're going to learn one more method, which is using the distributive property. So here we go. So for this method we're going to obviously be distributing. So what you do is you can pick any polynomial you want. So I'm going to use the 2a minus 1. So what I'm going to do is write 8a minus 5 two times because there are two terms in this polynomial. And then what I'm going to do is take each term from this polynomial and multiply it or distribute it by these polynomials right here. So I'm going to put 2a on outside of one of them and then negative 1 on the outside of the other one. So now you just distribute like normal. So 2a times 8a is 16a squared. And then negative 5 times 2a is negative 10a. And then for the next one, negative 1 times 8a is negative 8a. And then negative 5 times the negative 1 is just a positive 5. So now all you have to do is combine like terms like normal. So you get 16a squared minus 18a plus 5 as your final answer. And like I said before, you can use any polynomial to distribute. It doesn't matter because you'll get the same thing. So for number 1, I'm going to actually use the second polynomial to distribute. And then I'm going to write 2n minus 1 two times since there are two terms in this polynomial right here. So 2n minus 1. And then 3n on the outside and negative 2 on the outside for this one. So 3n times 2n is 6n squared. And then 3n times a negative 1 is negative 3n. And then negative 2 times a 2n is negative 4n. Then negative 2 times negative 1 is a positive 2. So then now we combine like terms. And we get this as our final answer. So for number 2, I'm going to use the first polynomial to distribute. So 6 times 3 is 18a squared. Then negative 1 times 6a is a negative 6a. And then 3a times 2 is a positive 6a. And then negative 2. And so then we combine like terms and we're left with 18a squared minus 2. So number 3 and 4 are actually binomials and trinomials. So this is one way you can write it. So 4a times 6a squared is 24a to the third. And then for this one, it will be 12a squared minus 2a plus 4. So now we combine like terms, so we're left with 24a to the third. Then these two combine, and we get 8a squared. Then these combine, and we get 6a plus 4. So here's another way you can write it. You can write the binomial 3 times and then multiply it by the trinomial. So for this one, you get 2n to the third minus 4n squared. And then for this one, So now we're going to combine all the like terms. So 2n to the third. Then combine these. You get 8n squared. Then combine these. You get negative 32n. And then plus 16. So the answer is 2n to the third plus 8n squared minus 32n plus 16. Pause the video, grab some paper, and try doing these problems on your own. So for number 5, I'm using this one to distribute with, so 6x minus 2. So 6x times 6x, or x I mean, is 6x squared. And then negative 18x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And then plus 6. So combine like terms. 6x squared minus 20x plus 6 is your final answer. Hopefully you got that. So for number 6, I'm using this polynomial to distribute with. So 7k to the third minus 14k squared plus 49k. Then for this one, negative 3k squared plus 6k minus 21. So now we're gonna combine everything. So 7k to the third. And then we combine these two. You get negative 17k squared. Then we combine this to get 55k minus 21. Hopefully you got both of those problems right. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully it helped you out. And make sure to check out my other videos over multiplying polynomials using the different methods, and use whichever method is best for you. And please subscribe if you're not already. I make videos every Saturday or Sunday. And follow my Twitter if you're not already. And thanks for watching.